Gas prices keep going up, but that doesn't mean you have to spend a fortune at the pump. In this video, we'll share 7 proven fuel efficiency hacks to help you save money and get the most out of every gallon. Let's dive in. Underinflated tires can increase fuel consumption by up to 3%. Check your tire pressure regularly, and keep it at the manufacturer's recommended level to improve efficiency and safety. Aggressive driving, rapid acceleration, hard braking, and speeding can lower your gas mileage by up to 30% on the highway. Drive smoothly, maintain a steady speed, and use cruise control when possible. Every extra 100 pounds in your car can reduce fuel efficiency by 1 to 2%. Remove unnecessary items from your trunk and avoid carrying heavy loads when you don't need to. Idling for more than 10 seconds wastes fuel. If you're parked or waiting for someone, turn off your engine to save gas. Modern engines don't need long warm-ups, even in cold weather. Using the wrong type of motor oil can reduce fuel efficiency. Always use the recommended oil grade for your car, as specified in the owner's manual, to keep your engine running smoothly. Cold starts use more fuel. Combine errands into one trip instead of making multiple short trips throughout the day. This helps your engine run more efficiently. Regular maintenance, such as replacing air filters, checking spark plugs, and getting tune-ups, can improve your car's fuel efficiency by up to 4%. A well-maintained engine runs more efficiently and lasts longer. By following these 7 fuel efficiency hacks, you can save money and reduce your trips to the gas station. Which tip did you find most useful? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-saving tips.